have as well this kitchen towel, Easter kitchen towel. I had some yeah, they put down price. These guys is $12.50 each. The down price of Harley's. And then I have this wet tissue for fun after 1 or 2. So if I can't wash better, I use this. I think I got a tissue as well. I got some chocolate. Pokey, they put down the price as well. I have 6 of Pokey because they put down $2.38. And I have Oreo that they put down to the price of $1.25, I think. So I have 2 Oreo, and I have popcorn, sweet salty popcorn. And I got this Keep Cool container. I probably make it a bean container in the bathroom. And yeah, and I'll see you guys later, guys. Okay guys, yesterday shopping, I have this Dove Body Love Essential Care Body Lotion. How many ml is this? I can see how many ml. I can see how many ml. And then I have the Sunsilk shampoo and conditioner, 160 ml. And the conditioner, Sunsilk, 760 ml. Bar soap. I have the Lux bar soap into a 4-bar in a pack. What do you call this? It's a magical spell. Lux. And I really love this Dettol original antibacterial bar soap. I want to use to my face and to some delicate parts. Dettol is a good antibacterial bar soap. So that's the yesterday shopping. Aligo na guys. Grabe pala ang sulat ko. Kikita ko sunburn. Oh my god. Sunburn yan guys. Tapos naligo. Parang ang itim-itim ko rito sa salamin. Okay. Outfit for today. Black pants, white shirt. It's a mango brand. I think originated Spanish brand mango when I searched. But I bought here my arm, my face is really like burnt under this everyday sun. Makeup time. Subway, guys. Subway. Subway. Yeah. Subway. That's the subway. Triple the pepper. Triple the pepper. Hello guys, we are here at the tourist spot they call the entrance, and we're going to the water side. We can have KFC here, and there's a Chinese here, Chinese restaurant. And there's more restaurant over there. And there's they have Thai restaurant, Malaysian restaurant there. And Saigon Chinese. And they have Mexican restaurant. Way out Mexican restaurant, guys. Across that water, you can see that building. They got plenty, have so many restaurants here. Oh, yeah, because this water, you can see the buildings there. Could be the Pelican, or there's a Mexican there. The water straight there. So they have a Thai restaurant here. Oh, the Thai. They have lollipop, and Thai restaurant. I'm here inside the car, guys. It started raining and I'm here to the water side. There's a bench there. I think you can do fishing here because there's a bench. Where's that bench? Oh, there. You can sit there to the waterfront. So means there. So means you can do some fishing here. Bring your fishing rod if you catch. Found a fishing place. Now I'm just going to look for fishing buddy. Okay guys, can you see the pelican there? Pelican. There. That's a pelican. Pelican swimming. See the pelican? They swimming. The bird that can swim. The bird that do swimming. Two of them. See? That's not swan but a pelican. Bird watching. Hello guys, we are here at the tourist spot they call the entrance. We have KFC here and there's a Chinese here, Chinese restaurant, and there's more restaurant over there. They have Thai restaurant, Malaysian restaurant there. Inside Chinese. And there's developed, and there's a Mexican there. The water straight already. So they have a Thai restaurant here. Oh, the Thai. They have lollipop. The cafe is already closed, only morning that open. Straight under this road is a cafe, front water, they close up. So this one is the Thai restaurant. And then the lollipop. Mexican over there. KFC. Okay, we are at entrance. We have a clothes shop here too. That's the Chinese restaurant Saigon here at the entrance. KFC.